Hello guys! So a couple of days ago I got Boxycharm box and I was so excited to shoot the video for you on how I use the products from it. So here is the list of the products that I got in my box, and I will start with the primer. This one is by Touch and Soul. This is actually a prime essence, and what I liked about this product is that this is so lightweight. It reminds me actually of the serum. And smells really good. Then goes my usual foundation routine, and I haven't filmed it for you, so here is the finished look with the brows. I'm doing the touch-ups with 24-hour setting gel. The second product from the box will be this Tarte palette, Be You Naturally. And here we have all natural basic colors, and the pigment is really good. So if you are new into makeup, this palette will be probably a good start for you. So I'm packing this bronzy shade onto my lid, and then I blend it with this soft brown. And this will be probably the easiest makeup look that I've ever done. I will highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with this lightest shade in the palette. Then I decided to add this bronzy color onto my lower eyelid as well. And also I just got this Bad Gal Bang eye pencils from Benefit, and I'm just using the blue color, which is Midnight Blue, in my waterline. The tight lining I will do with Rimmel soft pencil in jet black. So I was going to leave this look as it was, but I decided to add an eyeliner, and I'm going back to the blue eye pencil by Benefit, and I'm just applying it as an eyeliner. And I'm taking my Bdellium Tools eyeliner brush and I'm just winging it out. Taking Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I also got from one of the Boxycharms boxes. This is how I store my lashes, and I apply the ones by Blinking Beauty in number 3. Covering the glue with the same blue pencil. And this is the finished eye look, which was super easy and probably took me like 10 minutes to do. For the face, I'm taking Pretty Vulgar bronzer in Bronzed Mannequin, and I apply it onto the areas where you would put the bronzer. This bronzer was also the part of one of the boxes, and I decided to incorporate it into the look so that probably you would have it as well. For the blush, I'm taking Maxi blush by Rimmel in 3rd base. The next product from the box would be this Jelly Highlighter by Laurent. And I would say that this is a really soft highlighter, so it would really fit the person who doesn't like this strobing shimmer or even glitter on their cheekbones, or probably will be perfect for somebody with mature skin. And last but not least, this Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner and Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I will finish the look with them. So here is the finished look. I really hope that you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you all guys soon. Bye bye.